This is the legendary 1938 Packard Super 8 convertible coupe. Look at those sweeping lines, the dual side-mounted spare tires, and that unmistakable towering front grille. It's not just a machine, it's rolling art. Beneath that long, elegant hood lies a remarkably smooth straight-eight engine. In an era of uncertainty, Packard delivered pure, whisper-quiet engineering that made every journey feel like a royal procession. With its top up or down, this single-door masterpiece was built for the open road. It represents the absolute pinnacle of pre-war American luxury, built with a level of craftsmanship that we rarely see today. They used to say, "Ask the man who owns one," but today just looking at it tells you everything you need to know. What's your favorite detail on this 1938 Packard? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more timeless classics.